And tensions are rising in Bhabanipur. We've got some breaking news that's just come in. Former Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh, whose guards had pulled out their pistols in this shocking escalation in Bhabanipur, has demanded that the Bhabanipur bypoll be cancelled forthwith. The BJP is planning to approach the election commission, the poll panel, after the Bhabanipur violence. The BJP says the violence is an attempt to intimidate Bhabanipur voters. And just to be very clear, it was Dilip Ghosh's security guards who pulled out their guns after allegedly being heckled, pushed and attacked in a very aggressive manner by Trinamool workers, as has been captured fully on video that we're showing to you on our screens right now. Listen to what Dilip Ghosh has said.
आप इसकी क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि चुनाव को रद्द करने की?
चुनाव होने की परिस्थिति नहीं है। अब चुनाव में जो नेता भाग ले रहे हैं वो सुरक्षित नहीं है, वो प्रचार नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो वोटर कैसे घर से निकल करके वोट करेंगे? इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि वातावरण जब तक अनुकूल नहीं होता है, चुनाव को स्थगित कर देना ही ठीक रहेगा।
Prema Rajaram has been in the thick of all developments there at Bhabanipur, not just today but over the last few weeks. Today definitely a very unsettling escalation in possible violence. Thank God no bullets were fired, Prema, but you were there, and now the BJP wants this entire bypoll to be scrapped for the moment. They say that voters will be intimidated and they will not come out to vote. Have the election commission already been approached? What's the current status, Prema?
A team of the BJP delegation has already reached the election commission. They are going to appeal to the election commission to cancel the bypolls on the 30th of September, and this comes on the last day of campaigning when the BJP leaders find themselves cornered. Not just Dilip Ghosh, who was attacked, where his security guards had to pull out their guns in order to protect Dilip Ghosh from the mob, but also Arjun Singh, who was there at another spot in Bhabanipur. He had to leave the stage before he could even complete his speech because of the Trinamool Congress supporters who were inching towards his car. So the BJP at this point in time feels that if they themselves are not safe and secure, when they have a right to campaign, what will happen to the people who are supposed to be coming out to vote? If the voters are intimidated, there will be no free and fair election. And as Shubhendu Adhikari has said, the bypolls have been forced upon the people of Bhabanipur by Mamata Banerjee, who wants this election because she needs to retain her her seat as the chief minister. And so the BJP right now is at the election commission saying that the elections on the 30th of September should not be held. Back to you, Shiv.
Okay, Prema, thanks very much for that. Please stay safe. We'll keep coming back to you on this story.